Good morning, children. So, in our last English class, we read the chapter number 12, Tinu Saves the Lion. Now, you know the story very well? Yes? So, today we'll be doing the word meaning from this chapter. Also, we'll do the back exercise. Alright? So, let's do the word meaning first. So at the top you will write chapter number 12, word meaning. Make two columns, word meaning. Number 1 is tiny. Tiny means very small. Tiny, very small. Tiny, very small. Number 2 is scared. Scared. Afraid. Scared means afraid. Number 3, angry. Angry. Annoyed. 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 Silly. Silly means foolish. Foolish. When you don't talk sense and you are being foolish. Okay. So silly, foolish. Let's repeat. Tiny, very small in size, scared, afraid, angry, annoyed, silly, foolish. Okay, so these are the word meanings. We call them synonyms also. So you can use very small in place of tiny, and you can use silly in place of foolish, or you can use foolish in place of silly. So this is all to enhance your vocabulary. Okay, so you have to write these word meaning in your notebook. And now we'll be doing the back exercise. Okay, the first one is comprehension. Circle the words to complete the sentences. This is all from the chapter. Tinu was a little mouse. Tick the correct word. Okay. Tinu came out of his hole to play. Tinu was very dash to see the lion. Tinu was very scared to see the lion. He saw the lion caught in a web cup net. The lion helped, thanked, or wished Tinu. The lion thanked Tinu. Okay, so next one. Who said these words and to whom? Write their names on the blanks. Okay. I'm sorry, O king, please let me go. Who said these words? Tinu. To whom? To lion. Right? Next. How funny. Who said these words? How funny? Lion said these words to whom? Tinu. How can a tiny thing like you help me? Now who said these words? Yes, again, lion said these words to Tinu. You are welcome, my friend. Who said this? Tinu to lion. Okay. Right. Now answer this question. This we'll do in the notebook. Next one is a mouse says quick squeak. What sounds do these animals make? Okay. A dog says bow wow. Cat says very easy meow meow. Cow says moo moo. Duck says quack quack. And a hen says cluck cluck. Okay, so this you will do on your own now. Okay, let's move on. You have to rearrange these letters to make the opposite of the word. Right. Sharp. Sharp का opposite होता है blunt. Tiny. Tiny means little, small, and opposite will be huge. 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 Strong. Weak. Opposite weak. Foolish. Foolish का opposite है wise. 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 Foolish means when you are being silly. Wise means when you are talking sense. Kind. Cruel. CRUEL. These are new words to you. That's why I'm telling you all the answers. Kind. Cruel. Front. Front opposite back. Alright? Okay, next is fill in the correct letters to complete the words. Fr, pl, dr, gr, very easy. Gr, apes, grapes, plant, drum, and frog, frog. Okay, now here what you have to do, these are the sentences and questions. Behind every question you have to put a question mark, and every sentence you have to put a full stop, right? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? This is question, so we will put a question mark. I have been to the zoo. This is the statement, so full stop. Remember, I have already taught you these things. Okay, next one. Tinu did not know what to do. Full stop. What would you like for lunch? This is question, so question mark. Joa has a pet squirrel. Full stop. A big lion lived in a forest, so full stop. Okay. Next one. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with in, on, under. Very easy prepositions. The pup is in the tub. The cat is, where is the cat? Under the table. The eggs are in the nest and the frog is on the log. Okay, next one is look at the picture and you have to take the correct option. This is the picture. Okay, now we will read. Mary is at or under the farm? At the farm. The lamb is dash the tree. In or under? See, the lamb is under the tree. A bird is dash the fence, near or on. See, the bird is on the fence. The ducks are, of course, ducks are in the pond. And a ladybird is dash the flower, under or on. Where is the ladybird? Under or on? On. So here we will tick on the flower. Okay. Now next is your teacher will call out a list of words. Say the word that does not belong to the list. Okay, we will do it later. Next is this writing part. What you have to do here, you have to complete this. What is your name? My name is. You will write to complete it. How old are you? I am 7 years old. Whatever you want to write. Where do you live? I live at. Which games do you like to play? I like to play. And who do you play with? I play with dash. You have to complete these answers. Now, when we talk of this thing, listening, your teacher will call out a list of words. I can show you this list of words. It is on page number 86. This one. I will speak this. Cow. You have to cross the wrong word. Cow, horse, dove, sheep. Which is the wrong word here? Dove, because dove is a bird and rest all are animals. So here you will put cross on dove. Car, scooter, van, boat. Which is the wrong word here? Boat, because these all are land transport and this is water transport. Lamb, puppy, lion, cub. Which one is wrong here? Lamb, puppy, lion, cub. Lion, because all these are the babies of animals. Rose, lily, dahlia, orange. Orange is wrong. Book, newspaper, magazine, football. Football is wrong. Okay, so this is all about your back exercise which you have to do in your books today. Okay, so the task for you today is to write the word meanings in the notebook and complete this back exercise in your book. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.